So guys, Cristiano Ronaldo has created record after record. You will be very surprised to know that the average of the million subscriber on Cristiano Ronaldo channel is increasing every hour. 17,000 subscriber per minute and more than 250 subscriber per second are increasing, and finally Cristiano Ronaldo YouTube channel within 24 hours of the announcement his channel has completed 20 million subscribers. On the explosive entry of Cristiano Ronaldo on YouTube, his fans are playing the rules of new Messi. He has been on YouTube for 18 years. Currently, he has only 2.4 million subscribers, whereas Cristiano Ronaldo has made a threat as soon as he came on YouTube more than 5 years ago. And other lessons 24 hours demonstrating the level of impact and influence he has had on the planet. And in 18 years, Cristiano Ronaldo has also broken Mr. Beast record of fastest 10 million subscribers. Mr. Beast, after realizing that Cristiano Ronaldo has created a YouTube channel, there is a lot of energy about Cristiano Ronaldo. Other guys, what do you think? Can any Indian cricketer break Cristiano Ronaldo record? Tell us by commenting and liking this video. Take care.